1984 Climate Change Warning. United Nations Intergovernmental Panel of Climate Change report organized by 78 lead authors and 400 additional contributors, with an additional 500 scientists commenting on early drafts. Report warns out that several long-term impacts from greenhouse buildup. North American Free Trade Agreement debate shows differences of opinion among mainstream environmental groups. Environmental Defense Fund and National Wildlife Federation support treaty mostly because of economic benefits to Mexico, which could help encourage environmental protection. Sierra Club and Friends of the Earth oppose the treaty because there are no safeguards for environmental protection. 1985. In January, Republicans controlled U.S. Congress for the first time in decades. Attack on environmentalism is a first priority. In June 23rd, the World Bank and international conservation groups, such as the IUCN, announced a plan to establish 155 marine protection areas around the world. In August, the US government releases its final report on human radiation experimentation from World War II through the mid-1970s. As estimated, 16,000 men, women, and children had been subjects in 435 different radiation experiments by the Department of Energy and Atomic Energy Commission. In 1996, January 2, former U.S. Interior Secretary James Watt pleads guilty to one count of withholding information from a federal grand jury, following an investigation of influence peddling at the Department of Housing and Urban Development. Watt is fined, given 5 years probation, and ordered to perform 500 hours of community service. World Bank joins World Health Organization and others in calling for global phase-out of leading gasoline. The report links public health with economics and notes that the health costs of leaded gasoline are far higher than the benefits to a few refiners and gasoline distributors. EPA air pollution report says sulfur dioxide emissions declined by 40% between 1970